What is up, YouTube? My name is Glow Fresh, and today I'm bringing you another video of the bus lot. Terrible intro. But anyways, we got our 2015 C2. Time is Saf-T-Liner C2. Bus 8069. And there she is. Yep. I gotta get his license plate number because it won't here yesterday. I couldn't write it down. But we're gonna do an outside tour first. Let me show you. Let me see if I can get these storage compartments open. If I can, I'll show you. I don't think this key works that. I don't think so. Hold on. Hold on, one second. If this key goes in here, that'll be a miracle. I doubt it though. Trying to get. Hold on. Let me try the driver key. Nope. Storage compartments do not open. If they do, yeah, they don't open. But yeah, Guilford County Schools. That mug shiny. Here's the front of the bus. Yep. It's a little dusty. Need to get a little wash. I talked to Miss Lenny about getting the wash. I don't know what that is at all. The lights are still clean. We're gonna go on inside. And yeah, let's go ahead and go on the inside. I got the key to it. I'm gonna crank it up. I probably won't do that. But yeah, it's dark in here, so I know you can't see anything. That's fine. Let me show you the roof hatches real quick. Dang, put the camera in my pocket. Hold on. Dude, dang, all these pins I got. Alright, open the roof hatch. Gee, hold on. Push out. Like that. Hold on. Bring it down. Come on. Come on. Come down the lock. Come. Oh my God. Lock. Hold on. It won't lock. Hold on. Hold on. Let me see the front one. I don't really know how the mechanism works. Hold on. Okay, it's supposed to come all the way down there. They ain't doing that. Alright, so basically, make sure this is all the way to the right. Bring it down. Come on. Hold on. Let me get this closed. Let me put my phone down. Put you up so you can see. Let me get this down. Jesus. Well, this is not interesting. Come on, close. Alright, there we go. Jesus. Whew. So anyways, to the front we go. Let's see if we can turn my flash off. There we go. Hold on. Get the key. Turn the dome lights on. Hold the key. I was out here sweeping. And hold on. Hold on. Put the key in. Wrong way. Apparently, if you put the key in the wrong way, you can't turn on the accessory. There we go. Lights. We have lights. What's this? But yeah, I was just making sure everything up in here is just clean before I go home. You still need a light. Like these seats. What's up under these seats? Because we have field trips today. All day field trip today. I don't know how many miles is put on it today, but the door is not supposed to be on. Miss Diane don't leave these doors on emergency. She usually leave them on normal. And so what I'm gonna do is close these doors real quick. And let me get these doors closed. There we go. And the strobe light is on. That mug is blinking. Alright, now it's gonna beep at me. Now I gotta go to the back and hit the button, or I can either open the door. But I ain't finna do that. Hit the button. And now, good to go. I'll put it on normal again. I mean, not normal, emergency. And take the key out. Walk off. Basically, this is what you would do if you was done driving for the day. And voila. But I ain't done driving, so. Well, I ain't driving at all. I'm sweeping up on here. Just making a quick video for y'all. I'll put the key back in because I got to finish cleaning. But yeah. I cranked this thing up one time on accident. Don't nobody know about that. But it's okay because if they found out, I wouldn't be in trouble, no way. But, show you the instrument, the control panel. Alright, you got vandal lock on here, rear emergency door, got active noise, mirrors, that driver dome, door is open. Yeah, you hear that noise. Tanks need to be drained anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and drain those. I see the equipment's in here. Got equipment, hold on. Equipment in there, fire, triangles. That's not supposed to be unlocked, so that is not supposed to be unlocked whatsoever. So get in there, lock it. Simple. Same thing for this. Unlock. How you lock the wrong one? Come on now. Okay, this is just a maintenance book in there. See, there you go. Yep, well, that's a quick tutorial of this bus. Bus 8069 is 2015 C2. Don't know if I told you that or not. There it is right there. Hold on. Glare. 2014 07. 2015, because that's what this paper says. We don't go for that. We go for this. Where is 2015? It's what? I seen it on this. Oh, yeah. Year 2015. Right there. That's 2015. Turn the light off. You can't see it. But it says 2015. And the way the strobe light works, yeah, it's a 2015. And I'm going to let y'all go. I hope you enjoyed this little quick tutorial. Well, quick tour. Why I keep saying tutorial? That's just running through my head. But anyways. Oh. Should I drain the tanks with? Yeah, I'm going to drain them 60. Hold on. Let me put them on 60 real quick. It ain't gonna take long. Why is that beeping? Door open. Why is it beeping? Anyways. Alright. Let me show you tanks. There you go. Oop, wrong one. It's on 100. 60. That easy. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, leave a comment below. And I'll see you on the next one. My name is Glove Fashion. Peace out.